What is going on, you guys? Josh here from the DeFi Guys. Want to do a quick video on a brand new project that I just got into known as Verse. So in this video, we're going to talk about exactly what it is, how to get involved if you like what you're seeing here, and much, much more. So if you like the idea of passive income with crypto and new projects that I release as I release them, then go ahead, drop that video like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So you guys can actually see I just did an $11,000 deposit right here, which is currently earning roughly 0.43% per day. This is a long-term sustainable project, okay? And it uses the Forex markets to earn dividends from. So essentially we make a deposit, we buy a package, and we're able to make a daily rate. And those monies are actually used to trade in Forex. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll break this down so you guys understand it in more detail, and then you can decide what you want to do. There's actually been a few projects I've gotten into recently that are a lot more long-term. What does that mean? Well, there's a lot less risk. They last a lot longer. And even though the payout's less, it's just more sustainable, right? You're not looking at the 2, 3, 4, 5% per day, which is great, but that carries a very, very, very high amount of risk. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the Verse network. So obviously this trades on the Forex market. That's how we're generating revenue. Forex is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world with a daily average transaction volume of over 7.5 trillion in 2022. Forex market participants include banks, financial institutions, governments, corporations, and individual traders. You've got the advantages here: high liquidity, accessibility, leverage. Of course, unlike the crypto market, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which I assume that this pays out roughly 5 days per week. And the daily percentage reward rate does change from day to day. I think yesterday it was over 50%. Today it's a little bit lower at 0.43. Okay. When I say 50%, I meant 0.50%. Okay. So the company, Verse Corp, is a company specialized in the financial education and automated training space. Verse Corp provides its members with training and high performance tools to optimize and maximize returns in the financial markets. The team is composed of a group of experts in finance, trading, artificial intelligence, IT programming, software development, and digital marketing. Registration, it's registered in Cyprus, and the office is located in Dubai. As a matter of fact, I was just in the Telegram group the other day, and they showcased a live video of the office. You can see the corporate team right here. This is the founder of the Verse Network, Bryce Van. I don't even want to try and pronounce his last name. Then we've got Mark Owen, Stefan Burkhardt, and Mood Shadiq here. The services that they offer is AI trading software as well as the Verse Club. So the automated software is a next generation automated trading robot combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning. The algorithm was created based on 6 years of data and historical operations in real market conditions. So essentially, this AI is trading in the financial markets, and it's paying us out this daily dividend right here. Enhance and optimize the trading strategy of our partner traders, improves data analysis, constant and rapid adaptation, and generates consistent profits for over 6 years with a monthly average of 3% to 10%, which is very, very realistic and sort of refreshing in this case. Then you have the Verse Club, where you can actually not just leverage the AI, but you can learn how to trade Forex and become a skilled financial trader. Gain the knowledge and confidence to start trading by following our education service. You've got basic trading here. We got live trading sessions, interact with experts, and daily market updates here. So sources of income. Verse Corp generates revenue in several ways: through financial trading, software sales, education services, and partner brokers. So here is the opportunity broken down. You have passive rewards, Verse AI, and you have the Verse Club. With the passive rewards program, you can deposit anywhere between $50 all the way up to $10,000. On $50, you're going to get not only that $50 back, but you're going to get 25% on top of that. All the way up to $10,000, you're going to get a 300% ROI there. So that would obviously be $30,000 roughly until you have to go ahead and repurchase. So by purchasing a pack, you receive our passive rewards up to 0.75% per day, 3.75% per week, 15% per month until the ROI is reached. Okay. So that's pretty self-explanatory. And again, this fluctuates. Today, again, it's 0.43%. It can go up to as high as 0.75% per day. So Verse AI, secondly, by purchasing a pack of $10,000, you have the option to connect our robot to your personal trading account with our partner broker, which is pretty cool, right? Thirdly, by purchasing the $10,000 package, you also gain access to our exclusive trading club, a financial education platform that will allow you to enhance your skills and knowledge of the financial markets. To become the best, you need to learn from the best. So you could see that I went ahead and deposited over 10,000. I actually purchased two packages, one of 1,000 and another of $10,000 to obviously qualify for the Verse AI and the Verse Club, as well as get that 300%. So that's why I personally did it. You could decide what you want to do. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, in the crypto world, anything can happen. If you have been in this space for any amount of time, you understand that anything's possible. I jumped on board with this because I trust the person that obviously told me about this. So because of that, and they see the long-term vision of this, I also see the long-term vision of this as well. So how to start, register, make a deposit, choose your package, and enjoy our reward program and get access to our robot and educational services. And we can go ahead and talk about this here in just a second and the affiliate marketing compensation plan. But real quickly, let me show you exactly how to deposit. It's actually very, very easy. All you need to do is click the link below to register. That is step number one. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to show you what the registration page looks like. It's going to look something like this. Let me just drag this over, and you'll need to enter in your information here and then a PIN code. This PIN code is a PIN code that you make up. Okay. And then you just need to confirm that PIN code here. So full name, country, email, username, password confirmation, and then your PIN code here, and then just simply register. Once you go ahead and register, you're going to come to this page right here. All you need to do is go to wallets and then deposit, and then go ahead and click on deposit right here. You can see that I did kind of a test deposit here, and I did my actual deposit here. So you're going to go ahead and click on deposit, and then the amount that you want to deposit. So whether that's 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, whatever it is, you're going to go ahead and enter that here. Click on request deposit. This is going to pop up, and you need to make sure that you are sending Tether on the TRC20 network. So I highly, highly recommend that you're using the TradeiQ wallet, and whatever monies you have available somewhere else, maybe it's on the Binance Smart Chain, on the Ethereum network, you need to convert that over to the TRC20 network and use the TradeiQ wallet. That's just the wallet that I use. If there's another wallet you use, that's great. And then all you need to do is transfer those funds to the address that pops up right here. Of course, your address is going to be different than my address. And you'll go ahead and send those funds to that address, and then click on I transfer the amount. Once you do that, it'll take about 2 to 3 minutes to show up as finished right here. Once that's completed, then all you need to do, and by the way, this is USDT, okay, on the TRC20 network, the Tron network, just to be clear. That's what you want to transfer into your wallet here. And then you'll go over to packs, And then you can go ahead and purchase whatever pack that you choose. So I bought a $10,000 pack and I also bought a $1,000 pack. And all you got to do is click on one of these respectively. So if you want to buy 10,000, you're just going to click on buy here, enter your PIN code in and click on confirm operation and you're good to go. It's really that simple. So you could read a little bit more about this as well. This handout is available on the website. If you scroll down and go to tools under marketing, just click on English or whatever language, and then it's going to pop up the handout right here that you can go ahead and you can go through. Okay, this talks about their difference here, their marketing plan. I'm not super familiar with their compensation plan, but you can see here based on your rank, receive a percentage on the overall sales volume of your network. Advancement to a higher rank depends on the business volume generated with your entire network. So you're going to get 4% as a starter. Once you get to a volume of like 1, 5, 10K plus, you could see respectively the percentage that you're going to get here of the sales volume all the way up to 23% at 50 million here. So that's pretty straightforward, if I do say so myself. And then there's direct bonuses, as you can see right here. There's team bonuses, matching bonuses, and renewal bonuses. So lots of different bonuses, lots of different ways to earn. One of the cool things that I do offer is the ability to actually copy my videos. If you want to do the affiliate marketing side of this, I show you how you can actually copy my videos, just like this video here, for your marketing purposes, which is really, really cool. So if you want to go ahead and market this as an affiliate, you have no idea how, we provide you training and tools that allow you to do that. And there will be a link in the description below that will allow you to, of course, get access if you choose to do so. So practical info, again, deposits are in USDT TRC20, minimum deposits $10, deposits by Visa, MasterCard. I know it's available in the UK right now, I believe. Withdrawals processed within 24 hours. Fees, no deposit transfer or withdrawal fees except for network fees. That's it, which is pretty cool. So wallets, deposit wallet, fund deposit, transfer between members, and there's a cash wallet, funds available for withdrawal. And you'll see all of that if you go over to the dashboard right here. You can see your earnings here, network income, passive rewards, so on and so forth. And your wallets are here, and you can just go ahead and click on withdrawal right here if you ever want to withdraw from your cash wallet to your crypto wallet. So super simple, straightforward. That is the Verse Network. If you want to learn more, you want to get involved, again, this is not financial advice, but there will be resources in the description below. And, I just put my money where my mouth is. I'm really excited for the long-term vision of this company and of this project. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the idea of passive income, this may be for you. And I love this because you can earn passive income. You can simply share the social proof that you're earning passive income with others. And people love the idea of being able to make money without actually having to market or put their face on camera or do any marketing whatsoever. That's obviously optional if you want to make more money. And I provide you guys the tools, like I said in this video, that allow you to do that and make it easier by copying my content. So thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.